Hello friends! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my bird box. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I take care of my DUSTYMILLER plant and easy tips for growing or propagating DUSTYMILLER. So, stay tuned! Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-subscribe ka na! Hit the bell icon para updated ka sa mga bagong videos ko. Hello friends! Happy holidays! For today's video guys, I'm gonna show you one of my favorite plant. And this is DUSTYMILLER. As you can see, this plant looks so dull. I forgot to water my plant for about 3 weeks now, and that's why all the leaves are almost dried. Look at it. Since I have been busy, I really forgot to water my plants, so just now I sprayed like I guess 20 times direct to the soil. I didn't spray the leaves. And here I'm gonna show you how I propagate my DUSTYMILLER. In here, I have here the black soil, or you can use the loam. And then after that, I'm going to add compost. Those are the dried leaves. You can add eggshells and so on and so on. And then in here I have here the plant, and then you can use or you can do the cuttings, or I'm just going to separate these two. Yes guys, just be careful, don't ruin the roots. Okay, now as you can see, I divided this into two. Just separate these two and be careful. And now here you can transplant it to another pot. Those are this baby DUSTYMILLER. And then after that, I add some tea bags. In here I add coffee grounds. Yes, coffee grounds. And then tea bags as well. And in here I put rice husk or rice hull, just to absorb the water. DUSTYMILLER doesn't like wet soil, just the moist. DUSTYMILLER also loves sunlight. You can also direct it to sunlight. But DUSTYMILLER loves the room temperature or the cold temperature. And now here I'm going to water my plant, my new transplant DUSTYMILLER. Just about 100 or 200 ml. Just the soil, not the leaves. And in here, once you see dried leaves, you can just take it out or cut it out. And here guys, if you will see the leaves like this, it means that you have a healthy DUSTYMILLER plant. Look at it guys. Don't overspray it, okay? They don't like much water. They like moist or they like cold weather, but they don't like too much water. So that's it guys. If you think you learned something new for today's video, please comment down below. Thank you all for watching. Until my next video, bye!